right? So the class is in recording. I'm rejoining. So will you allow me, sir? Because my screen is black. Yes, Harvey, that's all right. You may join in again. No issues with that. Right? You can join in as many times as you want, thanks to internet. Right? Okay, okay. So let's begin with the textbook. Yesterday we had seen this example, right? And so fencing, right? Fencing means to create a border, create a close border, right? So Rahmat is a farmer. He grows wheat in his field. I need a fence around my field. How much wire should I buy? Right. So he thinks that how much wire do I need to create a fencing? And if he wants to create fencing, is it all right if he create a fence here only? सिर्फ यहाँ पे फेंस बनाएगा तो चलेगा क्या? Right? He has to go all the way, है ना? Right? It has to be covering all the sides everywhere. Yes, then only it will be called a fence, right? Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, this is moving, right? So what he has to do, Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary right in the field. Can you find it from this picture? See the length of each side written near it. So what you have to do, there are some different lengths available for you. So what do we do? Meters 15 plus 21 plus 9 plus 9. What will be the answer? People, come on, answer it quickly. Send me the answer, and I'm waiting for your answer in the chat box. Come on, the chat box. In the chat box, you have to answer. Come on, I'm waiting. I am waiting. 54. Okay, Arjo, Nishtha, Jia, 54. That is correct. I'll come today in school. Okay, Daksh, very good. Jia, very good. Yes, good job. Yes, correct answer is 54. That is 54 meters. So how much wire does he need? He needs 54 meter of wire, right? So that then only he will be able to do it. Okay, very good. Now, the boundary is 54 meters long. The answer was given here, everyone. Raymond bought a roll of 70-meter wire for the fence. How much did he buy? 70 meters, right? And how much does he need? 54. So how much is extra? Come on, find it out. How much is extra? How do you find extra? How would you find it? कैसे पता चलेगा उसके पास कितना ज्यादा है? How will you find? Will you add or subtract? Find it out. Come on and tell me the answer in the chat box. I am waiting for you. Let's do it. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, all correct answers so far. Nishtha, Jia, Daksh, Netra. Very good. Good job. Correct answer. One more time. Yes, 16 meter is extra. All you have to do is 70 minus 54. The answer will be 16, right? Oh, sir, this is same as the previous chapter. Yes, it is. Correct. That is correct, right? We are using the concept that we learned in how long, how short, and using it in this chapter. So it's a good thing, right? Come on. So what is next story? What does the story go ahead? I should also do the same for my field. That's what Ganpat thinks. Ganpat thinks that I should also put some fence around my field as well. So he goes and asks to Rahmat. He talks to Rahmat. Rahmat says, Ganpat says, can you give me the wire that is left with you? I will use it for my field. So the Rahmat says, oh sure, why not? How much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat? How much did he give away? How much did he have extra? 16 meters. Come on, let's do it. Yes. Now Ganpat thanked. Yes, very good. Very good. Correct. Now go on for the next part, which is Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field, but he needed more wire. How long is the boundary of Ganpat's field? Now you find it out. I'm waiting for the answer in the chat box. Come on, everyone, let's do it. You give me the answer. What is the total length that he will need for, yes, 66 meters. Okay, very good. Oh, Nishtha, check your answer. Yes, Netra, correct answer. Jia, incorrect. Netra is correct. Kanani, oh, Kanani, that is wrong answer. You have to add all of them. Come on, let's do it quickly. Yes, Arjav Shah, correct answer. Very good, sir. Your voice is not clear. How can I help, my dear friend? How can I help? My voice is not clear. Is it clear now? I'm bringing the mic closer to my mouth. Yes, Anant, correct answer. Jeet, check your answer again. Jia, correct answer. Very good job. Yes, correct answer would be 15 plus 15 plus 9 plus 9 plus 18. So the answer would be 66 meters. Correct answer is 66 meters. Durva, I called you, but nobody answered. Can you please ask your parents to call me today? Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. So, how long is the boundary of Ganpat's field? It is 66 meters. How much wire will Ganpat need for his field? How much does he have? How much does he have? You already have written something here, which is 16 meter was here. He needs 66 meters, right? So how much more does he need? 50 meters, correct word. Sir, I joined right now, so I don't know the page number. Shikha, okay, Shikha, page number 150. Page number 150. Yes, correct answer. Ganpat needs. Jia, Ganpat is a third person. For third person, you use S. So Ganpat needs 50 meter. That is correct answer. Netra, your answer is incorrect there. Beta, check your answer again. Correct answer is 50 meters. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's do it. Next one. Right? Now going to page number 151. Practice time. Let's do it. Here are pictures of some more fields. Find out which one has the longest boundary. Come on. I'm waiting for your answers. You do the math and give it to me. Come on. Let's do some addition. Let's do some addition. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, let's do it quickly. D1 is longest. Okay, very good. Let's see. Come on, everyone. I hope it is visible on your screen. If you don't have it on the screen, I hope you are using the textbook. Come on, let's do it quickly. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Right, so first one, 15 plus, is there anything, 20, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 30, 21 plus 15, 21 plus 5, 26 plus 10, 36, 36 plus 4, 40 plus 20, 60. Correct answer is 60. That is called as mental math, my friend. Come on, let's do it this one quickly. 6 plus 3, 9, plus 6, 15, plus 6, 21, plus 12, 33, plus 9, 42. Yay, we are getting there now. Good job, everyone. Yes, 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 yes. Next one. 9 plus 12 plus 15. Come on. What will be the answer there? The answer is 36 meters. Come on, let's do it quickly, everyone. Let's get it done. Oh, Vedant Gohani, you made a small mistake. Come on, check it out. Let's do it. Do it properly, beta. Next one. Option number D. Option number D says, I'll have to clear this all. Everyone, I hope you have written this down. I'm going to clear it now. Yeah. Okay, D1, I'm going to go there and do it myself, which is, oh, oops. Yeah, okay. Question number D. Oh, this one is a big one. Come on, let's do it. Oops. Yeah, okay. Right? So 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus 15 plus 9 plus 15. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Correct answer. Come on, let's do it. Or I can do it this way: 15, 15, 15, 15. 15 times 4, which is 60. 9 and 9. 9 twos are 18. So 16 plus 18, 78. Which one do you think is easier? Come on, tell me. Which way is better? Which way is easier? Which way is faster? That you can decide on your own, students. Come on, let's do it quickly. So option for D is yes, very good, very good. Yes, Nisha, then why didn't you use that one? If you found the second method is easy, then let's do it that way. I am fine with it. Yeah, okay, okay, that is correct. That is correct. Yeah, okay. Let's go for the next one. What is going on here now? Yeah, okay, one page number. Yes, next example. What is going on here? Yes. Chandu's father is called a young old man. What is that? Young old man. Do you know what is a young old man called? Right? Oops, this is getting out of hands now. Yeah, okay. Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village. At 70 years of age, he is fully fit. Do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. What is the total distance he covers? So first of all, you will have to find the distance he covers in one round. Yes, Hadil, very good. First of all, you have to find that how much he walks in the first round, and then how many times does he walk it? 4 times. So you have to multiply it by 4, which is very easy. So first you'll have to calculate 100 plus 150 plus 100 plus 150. What will be the answer here? 500. So 4 into 500. What will be the answer here? Yes, I'm waiting for your answers in the chat box, everyone. That is correct. 2000 meters. 2000 meters, which is equal to how many kilometers? 2 kilometers. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. Come on, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good. Good job, everyone. Very good. Yes, very good, Vedant. Good job. Yeah. Hmm. Right. So, going for the next example, Ganpat's wife works in a tailor shop. She has to fix lace around a tablecloth. She bought 100-meter roll of lace. Look at the picture of the tablecloth and tell how much lace is used for one tablecloth. Come on, find it out. How much lace is used for one tablecloth? You have to find the answer. Now remember the answer. Yes, Sanvi, I am coming to you for your query. Right? Yes, Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi Shah. Bolo. अरे अनम्यूट तो कर लो.
Sir, which page number?
Page number 153. Page number, it is, which page number is 152 beta, page number 152. Yes, son, come on page number 152. 400 meters, Devan Selat. Where are you sleeping? Hmm? Think again. Think again. 4000 what, Devansh? Kahan se beta? Yes, Gia, your answer is correct. Arjo is correct. Very good. I'm not going to say them. What is the correct answer? Yes, Arjo, you are correct. But I am not going to say it to all. Let's see. Param, correct. Panth, very good. Vedant Gavahane, very good. Finally. Yes, Vrinda, you want to talk? Vrinda, again. Yes, Vrinda.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
can I say the answer?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Because my chat doesn't work.
Okay. Tell me the answer.
4 meters.
Yes, correct answer. That is correct answer. It is 4 meters. Everyone, you forgot that there are different units here. So you must add them properly. Meter, centimeter. 1 meter, 50 centimeter, 1 meter, 50 centimeter. Then we have got 50 centimeter and another 50 centimeter. So if you add them all together, you will get here 200 centimeters. So 200 centimeters is of no use. So this get converted into 2 meters, which is 4 meters. That is the correct answer. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Vrinda, can you please mute? Yeah, done. Wonderful. Okay, so that is the correct answer. 400 centimeter is also correct. Very good, Karani. That is also correct. 400 centimeters. Yes, that is correct answer. Right. Right. And then we go for right. How much lace will be used in 3 such tablecloths? But for one tablecloth, you are using 4 meters or 400 centimeters. So if there are 3 tablecloths, come on. Yes, very good, Kanani. Good job, Jia. Very good. Yes, Kavish. Good job. Gia, wonderful. Harnil, Arjo, all students are giving correct answers. Wonderful. If one requires 3 meters, sorry, 4 meters, one cloth requires 4 meters, then 3 clothes requires how many? We have done this plenty of times. 3 fours up. The answer will be 12 meters. Remember to put the correct unit. How much less will be left in the roll? Now, how much was the originally? Yeah, 96, Kavish. How come? Question is how much lace will be left in the roll, and that is after this one. So which will be the correct answer? Yes, Gia, that is good job. Very good, Gia. Come on, everyone. Let's do it quickly. Param, कितना बच गया वो देखना है. Check your answer again, beta. Yes, Arjo, that is correct. What? How much did she buy? 100 meters. How much she has used? 12 meters. So what is left? Double eight meters, that is 88 meter. 88. Harnil, I'm coming to you. All right, come on, let's do it. Harnil. Yes, Harnil.
सर आपने वो बी का ए में लिखा है, एक क्या बी में लिखा है?
Sorry,
12 मीटर आपने ऊपर वाले में लिखा है.
how much lace will be used in 3 such tables? Yes, that is correct, 12 meters. And how much lace will be left in the roll? That is 88 meters. Correct? It's correct on my screen. Maybe on your screen you might be getting it different. I don't know why that happens. Vedant, correct, incorrect answer. Okay, now Param wants to say something. Yes, Param.
No,
You don't want to say something? Okay, all right, no problems. Yes, 12 meter is the correct answer, not 1 meter 200 centimeter. Come on, let's do it now. Going for the next one. Yes, find out the length of the boundary of these shapes. Now, how will you find? Because see, in the previous examples, here it was a straight line, right? It was a straight line. It is a straight line, right? But when you talk about this shape, the irregular shapes, what will you do? How will you measure their boundary? That is a big question, right? Say for example, I want to measure the boundary of this bottle. How will I do it? There is no shape here. Is there? Yes, there is a round shape. There is it's a round. Okay. So, but how will I measure the length of the length of the boundary of this bottle? Yes, sir. Can I say? Sure, Harnil. You may say you have a chance here. That is good. Let's see. Harnila. Mr. Bumble, tell me.
Sir, first of all, I measure that boxes and count over that boxes.
Sorry.
I first of all measures that boxes.
Boxes, okay, but boxes is the area covered, right? It's the space covered. Hmm? Right, I'm talking about the length of the boundary. Right, let me show you. Yeah, okay, let's see. With a red pen, I want to start from this point and I want to check the boundary. I want to see how long this red line is. Then what should I do? Thread. Very good, Harvey. Good job. Very good. We will take up a thread. We will put a thread. Say, for example, this bottle, right? Let's see. This is the bottle, right? I said I want to measure the length of this bottle. So what will I do? I'm going to, right now, I'm going to use my telephonic cable, right? This is the cable that I'm going to use. So I'm going to put it here, right? As you can see, and then I will take a round of it, right? Then I'll come back to the same place, and here I have got them matching, right? I have got them matching here. Okay, so I'll put my finger here and let go of the first end. I will hold it from this place, and voila, magic. I've got the length of the bottle. Now what I will do? What I will do is I will use my scale for this now. Okay. Now I will use my scale to measure the length of this thread. Now it is easy. Yes. Is it easy now? How to measure the length of this one? Right. Let's see if I have got a scale here. Hold on a second. Yes, I have got a scale here. So what I will do? I will do a scale, right? I will use the scale, right? I'll put centimeters here, right? I'll put a centimeters here and find it out like stretching it straight, right? This is 15 centimeter here. So again from this point, right, I will be measuring again from this point 15 centimeter, plus there is some more, almost 15 centimeter, another 15 centimeter in almost. So in total 30 centimeter I have got. Okay, right? This is how I find the length of different objects or their surfaces, right? This is how we find the perimeter of different shapes. Okay, right? So in this case also you can do it on your own using a thread, and that is going to be your homework. That is going to be your homework, right? So you have to find the thread. You have to use a thread to measure it, right? Remember it. Yes, Param, you want to say something? Bolo, Param.
No.
No? Well, then why are you raising your hand again and again? Yeah? Yes, any question? Rudra, जाग जाओ. रुद्र सो गया. अरे ये तो सो गया. कोई बात नहीं, सोने दो उसको. Right, use a thread. That is correct. Right, using a thread we can do it. So you can do this on your own. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now count the squares to find out. Now here, like what he said, what Harnil said, that we will be counting the squares. the least number of squares. So let's count these squares. Okay, now this is very interesting, right? This is one square. Okay, right? The full square. Okay, full square we will count here one. Now this is almost थोड़ा सा ही कट गया है ना, तो इसको भी count कर लेंगे 2. This is also be to be counted as 3. Yeah, this number 4. Okay, और जो आधे हैं, right, which are in almost half, 126 हैं. What is that? Yes, Shikha, it is a homework. Using a thread, you have to measure the area perimeter of these different shapes A, B, C, D. Okay. Now for this one, we have to count the half ones. So 2 half, we know 2 half is equal to 1 whole. That we know already, right? Yes, everyone, right? So this is almost half here, and this is almost half here. So 4 full plus 2 half, which is 4 plus 1 equals 5. So what is the area covered by this shape? 5 units. We will count it as 5 units. One box, one square is going to be 1 unit. Now in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then 5 also. This is also counted. This is also counted. 7. Yeah. Now let's see if we can adjust some more. Let's see, we can find some more. Okay, these two are very small. This one can be counted as a half, and this can be counted as a half. So 7 plus 2 halves, that is going to be 7 plus 1 equals 8. All right. For this one, 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, same way you can count it for the rest of them. 1, 2, 3 here. All right. Okay, everyone done? Good job. Now you have to answer these questions. How many squares are there in each shape? Which shape covers the least number of squares, and which shape covers the most number of squares? All right. Okay. Yes, and then there is this activity which you must do, all of you. This is your homework. Take a 20 centimeter long thread, make different shapes by joining the ends. Place on the squared sheet on the next page. Find out how many squares are there in each shape, which is the biggest shape, which is the smallest shape, how long is the boundary of each shape. This is going to be your homework. This is an activity that you all must do. Yes, thank you, Anand, for reminding me that the time is over. Shikha has a question. We will get there. Shikha has a question. Shikha. Yes, Shikha.
सर वो जो आपने मेथड की थी ना, वो ए बी सी डी में बॉक्स काउंट करने में, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आई.
It's simple, beta. You have to count the whole squares, right? And 2 half square is equal to 1. That you have to remember. Okay. So if there are 4 half square, then it will become 2, right? Okay. Well, that's it for the day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. Have fun.